While researching the best blender for bulletproof coffee, I considered the durability, size, effectiveness, and power of each blender, as well as how much other customers like them. And with that said, here are the must-know pros and cons of each bulletproof coffee blender on my list. Don't forget to click the links below to see the latest price for each of the products. And with that said, let's see which appliances made the cut. Looking for a hassle-free way to mix up your bulletproof coffee? The Ninja Foodi Heat IQ blender could be just what you need. It's designed to simplify your kitchen routine, heating ingredients while blending, which is perfect for combining coffee with butters or oils. All it takes is a push of a button, and your morning cup can go from standard to supercharged. With this blender, you're not just limited to coffee, its versatility expands your culinary horizons. The appliance is ideal for those frosty days when you crave something warm, thanks to its built-in heating element that can cook ingredients as it blends. Whether it's silky smoothies or homemade soups, this machine does it all, streamlining the way you prep and reducing the number of gadgets cluttering up your counter. What about the potential downsides? Well, keep in mind that such power does come with a bit of noise. It's not the quietest gadget on the block. Plus, the glass pitcher might be a bit hefty for some, and the price is on the higher end. However, these are small prices to pay for the quality and functionality it delivers. The Ninja Foodi blender is for those who value convenience and are keen on introducing a pro-grade blender into their bulletproof coffee routine. Moving on to the fourth best blender for coffee, we have the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro. If you're looking for a blender that can handle the rigor of making bulletproof coffee, this might just be the powerhouse you need. For those mornings when you need your coffee rich and creamy, the 3.5 horsepower strength of the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro makes a world of difference. The device seamlessly blends butter and oil into your coffee thanks to the impressive power under the hood. Its motor is among the best on the market, ensuring that no matter your drink's contents, you get a smooth, satisfying blend every time. And let me tell you, the versatility of this blender should not be underestimated. Whether you're aiming to puree soups, prepare nut butters, or crush ice, its performance doesn't falter. And the large 64-ounce capacity is a huge plus for meal preppers or big families. With such generous volume, it's a one-and-done deal for your morning bulletproof beverage or smoothies for the whole crew. Despite all the heaviness associated with a professional-grade motor, this blender guards against easy wear and tear. However, when considering your tranquil morning routine, be aware that its operation can be noisy. That said, the noise is a small compromise for the efficiency and longevity synonymous with the Cuisinart brand. Keep in mind though, its size and price might not suit everyone, especially if your counter space is limited or you're budget conscious. But if you're investing in quality for something like bulletproof coffee, where blending power can't be skimped, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro stands out as a robust option. Up next is the Breville Super Q blender, which earns the third spot on my list thanks to its 12-speed settings and personal blender attachment. So, if you're on the hunt for both a big and small blender for coffee, this really is up there with the best. Making bulletproof coffee requires a blender capable of creating a smooth, emulsified texture. With that in mind, the Breville Super Q delivers quick, superior blending with its powerful motor and varied speed settings. Whether it's for a creamy coffee in the morning or a smoothie in the evening, this machine is designed to handle it all. And I have to say, convenience seems well thought out with this device. It comes with a personal blender attachment, ideal for those days when you're blending just for yourself. Also, a variety of one-touch programs are integrated to simplify the blending processes for different needs. Now, when it comes to operating blenders, noise is often an issue. This one, however, features a specialized cooling system that aims to keep the noise down. So, if you're up early and don't want to disturb others, this feature might be particularly appealing. For someone who values a blend of convenience, efficiency, and quiet operation, the Breville Super Q blender stands out as a premium choice. However, it's essential to consider whether the investment aligns with your budget or if you can get by with something cheaper. Now for the runner-up. If you're seeking efficiency and versatility in the kitchen, this bulletproof blender from Blendtec might be your ticket to quick, delicious, bulletproof coffee and more. The Blendtec Total Blender is designed to save time with its innovative jar that creates a vortex to pull ingredients toward the blade, which means no more stopping and stirring or using a tamper. With the power to heat as it blends, your options expand beyond coffee. Envision creating a hot soup directly in the blender on a brisk day without the extra hassle of pans and stovetop reheating, a delightful way to reduce cleanup and streamline your kitchen tasks. Consider the magic of making homemade ice cream with the same device that can craft warm soups and blend your robust bulletproof coffee. The Blendtec Total Blender's ability to tackle a plethora of culinary ventures is quite impressive, transforming meal preparation with efficiency. Although it might not seem quite as futuristic as what I'm about to show you, the truth is that not everyone needs a blender with the latest smart features. For blending delicious bulletproof coffee, simple can often be better. So, what is the best blender for bulletproof coffee on the market today? Honestly, any of the blenders on my list will serve you well. But if you want a blender that goes above and beyond the call of duty, then you should definitely check out the Vitamix A3500 Smart Blender. The quintessential blender for bulletproof coffee aficionados, the Vitamix A3500 offers more than just power. It brings precision to your morning ritual. The 17 built-in programs automatically adjust to the contents, providing a hassle-free blending experience perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Similarly, the intuitive touch screen gives you the feeling that you're about to create a special cup of coffee. No more fiddling with clunky buttons when you invest in the Vitamix A3500 and its 2.2 horsepower motor. Durability is a significant asset here. Investing in a Vitamix means securing a kitchen ally for years to come. The robust build quality ensures it can cope with the daily demand of your bulletproof coffee and more without batting an eyelid. And I think we can all agree that convenience is vital in modern-day kitchens. Well, let me tell you, cleaning up with the Vitamix A3500 is a breeze. The self-cleaning feature rids you of the post-blending blues. No disassembly, no fuss, just a clean blender ready for your next creation. And there you have it, the best blender for bulletproof coffee that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a bulletproof coffee blender, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.